Imagine you're sitting in a bustling office, surrounded by colleagues, all working towards a common goal. You're part of a global financial technology company, making transactions possible for millions around the world. But have you ever wondered how many people it takes to keep this machine running smoothly? That's the question we're diving into today. How many employees does Paysafe have? Paysafe is a leading global provider of payment solutions. From online gambling to e-commerce, they power transactions for a vast array of businesses. But with such a wide reach, it's natural to wonder about the team behind the scenes. The employee count. So, how many employees does Paysafe have? Well, the exact number can fluctuate over time as the company grows and evolves. However, as of year, Paysafe boasted a workforce of approximately employees. This number represents a global team spread across various countries and continents. From North America to Europe and Asia, Paysafe's employees are dedicated to providing innovative payment solutions to customers around the world. Breaking down the numbers. While the overall employee count is impressive, it's also helpful to understand the breakdown of Paysafe's workforce. Here's a general overview. Technology. A significant portion of Paysafe's employees are involved in technology and engineering. These individuals develop and maintain the platforms that power the company's payment solutions. Customer service. Paysafe also has a dedicated team of customer service representatives who are responsible for assisting customers with inquiries and resolving issues. Sales and marketing. To reach new customers and expand its market share, Paysafe employs sales and marketing professionals who are focused on promoting the company's products and services. Finance and operations. Behind the scenes, Paysafe's finance and operations teams ensure that the company's financial affairs are in order and that operations run smoothly. Factors affecting employee count. Several factors can influence the number of employees at Paysafe. These include business growth. As Paysafe expands its operations and enters new markets, it may need to hire additional employees to support its growth. Acquisitions and mergers. Paysafe has a history of acquiring other companies. When this happens, the employee counts of both companies are combined, leading to an increase in the overall workforce. Economic conditions. The state of the economy can also impact Paysafe's hiring decisions. During economic downturns, companies may be more cautious about adding new employees, while during economic upturns, they may be more likely to expand their workforce. Employee benefits and culture. Paysafe is known for offering its employees a competitive benefits package. This includes health insurance, retirement plans, and other perks. Additionally, the company fosters a positive and inclusive work culture that encourages employees to grow and develop their careers. So, how many employees does Paysafe have? While the exact number may vary, it's clear that Paysafe is a large company with a global workforce. The dedication and hard work of these employees are essential to the success of the company and its ability to provide innovative payment solutions to customers around the world. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.